All right, folks, what's going on? It's your man Jay, and I got another set of wireless headphones in. Love putting these in the car for people to get in the car. They might want to, you know, listen to some music, and I don't want to hear it. Keep headphones in the car. So this is another set of Bluetooth 5.0 active noise canceling headphones. These would be really good for the gym too, but I currently use my Jaybirds for the gym. But we'll give these a run anytime I get new headphones on, and I test them out, unbox them for you. And I'll give you a follow-up video. Wow, this is a nice presentation. I'll give it to them for that. That's definitely a nice presentation. I love when companies send their headphones, when they sell headphones, and they've got them in a nice packaging for them. The packaging says it all when you're dealing with a company, because these will run you. These aren't that expensive, actually. Let me get the price up again. These are $50. So check Amazon. Nice little presentation, man. And I can tell these are going to be over the ear. Really nice, comfortable feel. I know it will. It's in the box here. It does use micro USB. I read that on the box. I was like, bummer. But you get a 3.5 millimeter cable, and you get your charging cable right there. But most of the time, some of these will last. Beautiful presentation there. Some of these will last for quite some time. Now, I will tell you that right off the bat, these have weight to them, and they've got some heft to them, so they're going to probably be really comfortable. I really like how these feel right off the jump, man. I like them. I like how they feel straight up. So they are the folding design, as you can see. Very nice. And they've got a little bit of flex, just a little bit right there. A little wobbly. You know what I'm saying? But they adjust there. This is a plastic in the middle. A lot of these headphones have the plastic in the middle, and they have a thin strip of metal on the outside. And that's just how these are too. But they can be adjusted. A little bit of branding on this side right here, and on this side. Nice design. And the controls on here are like most of these controls on some of these earbuds and headphones. You got a mic over here because you can do phone calls. The good part about these, they have quick charge, but you get 20 hours, folks, of talk time /15 playback. So you basically won't have to charge these for a while, because no one's probably going to sit that long unless you're on a flight. But yeah. So the quick charge is really good. And you remember they're Bluetooth 5.0. You can make phone calls or whatever. So this is where you plug in a 3.5 millimeter jack. And then you've got an on-off button right there, which I really love. That's probably going to be your sync button. That's the on-off, as you can see, and it lights up blue. I'll pair these up and give you a quick sample. And these are going to be the volume. And this could be the pause and play, and definitely probably sync button. So let me pair these up real quick. And let's see how they goes down. Let's get the phone out, get one of them, I should say, and we'll get it paired up. Let me see, I'm just going to hold this down just to see if this is more than likely the pairing button. Yep, there it is. So it starts to flash, and then they pop up right here. Hit that right there, boom, they're paired. And then I'm going to tell you, give you my first impressions of these headphones right now. Let's get into this thing. So right off of the rip, I can tell you, these are some serious noise canceling but I don't even have any music playing at this point, but it just kind of suction cups off. It's almost kind of awkward, man. It's like these feel like already like I have earbuds in, where it seals it off. That is crazy right there. So I'm gonna play some music right now, and I'll give you some sense of what I think is how it's gonna sound. These will probably be really comfortable at the gym too. Real talk. Yeah, they sound good. It's still kind of awkward, man. How they are. They suck to your ear, man. It's kind of uncomfortable. But when the music's playing, you good. Yeah. Korean Hawthorne. That's what I'm listening to. And just so you know, I'm talking right now, but I can't hear my voice, so it's kind of weird. It really seals it off. So it's almost awkward, but yeah, these are all right. It's so strange. It's almost like I was saying, I think I said it before, it's almost uncomfortable the way it sucks to the ear. Like it seals it all. I never had any over the ear noise canceling earbuds that feel like this. And I have several. You know what I'm saying? My go-to earbuds are these. I have several pairs of these. I have a brand new pair. I keep a pair of Sojok Pros. These are brand new in the box. But my other ones are in the car because I keep them at the gym. These earbuds, however, they see, like, I don't know how to turn the music on. You just put it on and you get like this sucking feel on your ears, man. It's almost, you know how you're on a plane and the plane's getting ready to take off and you feel like your ear's gonna pop? That's kind of what these feel like, man. It's kind of awkward. It's gonna take me some time to get used to that, but they sound fantastic. I can't front. They do sound good, and I can tell I could probably wear these for a very long time. They sound good. That's my first impressions of them. I'll give you a man, that's awkward. That is awkward. I'll give you a follow-up video on these, and I'll tell you what I think about them. But for now, man, the unboxing and first impressions, pretty impressive, man. Pretty impressive. The sound quality is there. It definitely seals off noise, that's for sure. And I think I like them so far. We'll see. I'll give you a follow-up in a week or two after using these and tell you how they work at the gym. It's the most important thing for me. It's your man Jay. I'm out.